There's a new way to automate your operation that's so easy, it feels illegal.
It's no secret. Daemon AI is taking industrial automation by storm. We've made it so easy to integrate AI with your PLCs, it just feels illegal. Here's how. This is the Daemon AI trainer. It's used to train video clips of your industrial equipment. Today, we're using a 200-frame video of a wave feeder to train the AI to see stop and go states. Let's start by opening the video. We'll move through the frames and look for stop and go states. We can see that frames 0 through 45 should be running, also known as in a go state. We'll go to the label data field, right-click and select Add Label. We'll name this label Go. In the start frame field, we'll put 0. In the end frame field, we'll put 45. This will tell the AI that when it sees frames like 0 through 45, the wave feeder should be in a go state. For the skip frame field, we'll set it to 1 for now. The alert code field is the number you send to the PLC. Your go label needs a different alert code than your stop. We'll make the go alert code a 1. Click apply. Boom. Now the label data showed up in this text box right here. Now let's tell the AI when the line should be stopped. We can see that the wave feeder should be stopped from frames 46 through 133. To add a stop label, we'll go to the label data field, right-click and select Add Label. We'll name this label Stop. In the start frame field, we'll put 46. In the end frame field, we'll put 133. We'll set the skip frame field to 1. This time, we'll make the alert code a 6. Click Apply. Now, the new label data shows up in the field here. You keep doing this process until you've labeled all the frames in this video. Next, you click the Save Labels button. Then the Next Video button. A new video will open, and then you repeat the labeling process. Once you've labeled 5 to 10 videos with 200 frames or more, you can train your first model by clicking the Train Model button. The AI will review the video frames you've labeled and learn how to classify frames for future videos. To do this, select the directory that has all the trained video files in it. In this example, it's in this folder called Demo. We'll name the model Demo Model. Then click Submit, and the model will start training. We can watch it happen in this graph. The graph shows how the AI training is getting more accurate with every epoch. You can see that the orange validation loss line and the blue training loss line are generally going down, which is good. This means that the training is getting progressively more accurate. By looking at this graph, you're watching the AI learn. After the AI is done training, it will create a model file. It will use that model to evaluate and classify frames in future videos. Let's see the result. Click the Open Model button and select the model file you named. Then click Open Video and choose a video that hasn't been labeled yet. Now, the first AI model is trained. AI can detect the basic stop and go states and make predictions. It communicates with the PLC, which knows the speed of the conveyor and determines the precise moment to resume or stop feeding the next log. This can be further refined as you add more labeled files. Daemon AI is so easy, it just feels illegal. Want to see how Daemon AI can work for you? Go to daemonautomation.com to schedule your free consultation.